sleeping on the porch, stars above so bright, when a tiny spider crept in late that night, right into her mouth. No bark, no bite. Now Judy's world is changing overnight. Wake up, tummy screaming, feed me now. Karen, nope, she makes a sour frown. Cheese, ew, she throws it to the ground. What's this hunger? It's weird and loud. Bug appetite, Judy, chase that flight. Catch him midair, don't ask why. Munch, 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 oh what a treat. Butterflies next, they're soft and sweet. Inside her belly, the spider's king. Feasting on bugs, living like a dream. Here Judy's dizzy, full and slow. Lays down again, lets the weirdness grow. Big round belly, something's wrong. Nick shows up, what's going on? Flashing lights, the sirens wail. To the hospital, she looks so pale. Ultrasound reveals the guest, a spider napping in her chest. Bug appetite, Judy, chase that fly. Catch it midair, don't ask why. Munch, 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 oh what a treat. Butterflies next, they're soft and sweet. Inside her belly, the spider's king. Feasting on bugs, living like a dream. Nick shrinks down into the fight, sprays the bug with sleepy light.